Today I'm going to show you how to change out the windshield wiper blades for a 2011 through 17 Honda Odyssey. There's usually basically a little hook that this will clip into, and then you just push it into it, and I'll demonstrate that here. But as you bring it up, you'll see you can bring it all the way over. There's a little clip under here, and you just want to kind of either push it in or take it out. In this case, you take it, you pull it out right here on this side, and then you bring it down, and then it'll come out easily like that. Basically, I have this one here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down, and you're just going to bring it right up. You should hear a click. This little tab here will go down, so you can bring it down. These are the X Weatherbeaters, by the way. When you push it in there, you'll hear a click, and then it'll come down, and you'll be good to go. Okay, what I have here finally is just a screenshot of the hook for the windshield wiper blade. And when you get the new wiper blade and you put it down, as I have here, you just want to make sure that it's in there the right way. I actually had to turn this around and over just to get it to work right. First time I did it, it didn't seem to want to push up into the hook. So the next time I did it, it did. And when you do that, you will hear the clicking noise as you heard in the video, and then you put it down. Make sure that it is in there and secure, because you don't want to scratch your windshield with that hook. Another note about this is that the wiper size for the driver side should be a 26 and the passenger side should be a 22. I use the Weatherbeater Rain-X brand this time. There's also other windshield blade options as well. There's a Latitude Rain-X, and Michelin makes a brand, as well as Bosch and others. But I'll link below this brand that I got and maybe a few other options as well.